Can you see single tick on WhatsApp? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial and see if you can actually see the single tick on WhatsApp. So, as of February 2026, WhatsApp does not allow you to actually disable the toggle button for double tick. You cannot manually choose to show a single tick, and it happens only automatically when messages is not delivered to the receiver. So, if the person phone is off or if the person that you are trying to text has no internet connection and if they do not have Wi-Fi or mobile data, then your message will not be delivered and you will see the single tick. However, if they have blocked you, your messages will remain on single tick permanently, and if there is some kind of temporary server delay, then your message might be sent as single tick. And WhatsApp does not actually allow users to disable the toggle button for double tick, and this happens only due to following reasons that I just mentioned. However, you can turn off read receipts, and turning off read receipts removes the blue ticks and not the delivery ticks. So if you want to remove the blue ticks too, then simply open WhatsApp and then tap on the settings option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the privacy option. Here simply toggle off the toggle button for read receipts, and with this the blue tick will not appear. So this was about if you can enable single tick on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.